Hey everybody, Evan Bash, Orlando Realtor. I'm here at the model home of the Tompkins. It's a Cahovnanian new community called Winding Bay in Winter Garden. This is going to be a huge community with two different home sites, a 50-foot and a 32-foot. HOA is very reasonable, only $50 a month. They're going to have a couple of different dog parks, a water park area, and a community pool. I'm here, like I said, in the Tompkins. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough through this. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with an optional additional bedroom and bathroom above the 2-car garage with its own loft. An incredible flex space if it's something that you're looking for children or guests to come by. We're about 5 minutes from State Road 429, which is a state road that can take you north and south from Orlando down to the I-4 area. And we're only about 10 minutes from Disney World. So great opportunity. Let's take a look through the Tompkins. Right when you walk in, really high ceilings. It has a very coastal vibe in this particular model. Beautiful light colored flooring. There's an office right off of the foyer. Nice detail work. Of course, they are still building here, so if you come on by, everything is still available to build to your taste. Nice custom work on the boards. On the left here are 2 bedrooms separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice crown molding, optional. These bedrooms are 10 feet by 13 feet roughly. Nice tile work in the bathroom. As I mentioned, Jack and Jill, so you have 2 sinks, full bath, and the other bedroom. Crown molding, high boards. Then across the hall to the half bath. I also wanted you to see this. Across from the 2-car garage, look at that shelving opportunity. After school, backpacks, shoes, all sorts of stuff. Leading you over here to your utility room. 42-inch high cabinetry, washer dryer, utility sink, plenty of space. Leads you to the 2-car garage, epoxy flooring, concrete block. Now we're gonna make our way over to a huge, great room. Look at this, amazing. Desk, more cabinet space, dining area, all wide open. Look at the touches on the ceiling and this kitchen, massive island. Those are 6 chairs on the other side. Very deep sink, beautiful tile backsplash selected here. You got a double oven. So really a beautifully appointed property. Very deep closet pantry. Under stair storage, if this is the angle you go. Again, everything is selectable, so this is at the top of the line for the community. Nice little pond, pergola, undercover furniture, just terrific. Now we make our way over to the master. Once again, just wanted you to see what this builder is capable of doing if you so choose. Beautiful floor. And then you've got really a remarkable frameless shower, too, I should say. Overhead waterfall. One. Great tiling work from top to bottom. And in this case, Goes into your walk-in closet. Double sink. Now we'll make our way over to what I mentioned to you before was the optional apartment, basically over the 2-car garage. This is, the Tompkins is a 1-floor model, but you have the choice to do this, which is really awesome. If you have a teenager, if you have someone else that's going to live with you for a while, anyone that's coming to visit because they want to go to Disney. Beautiful open living space, couch, television. This is cool. This is a wall-mounted Scrabble board. Never saw that before. Full bath and bedroom. Nice deep closet. So this is the Tompkins model. I'm over here at K. Hovnanian's new community, just north of Western Way on Avalon Road. Sorry about that. As I mentioned to you, we're just about 10 minutes west of Disney World. Literally, I just made the drive. So much growth happening over here. This is an amazing time with the interest rates where they are. If you want to get ahead of the curve regarding home investment and you're looking to buy, thinking in the long run, this is really going to increase in value. Of course, no one knows for sure, but out here in Winter Garden, the schools are great. This is where a lot of people are moving to. This is where all the new construction is happening on the west side of Central Florida. Give me a call anytime, 407-864-0370. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Evan Bash, Orlando Realtor, and I'm going to be making a lot more of these videos walking through some of the great models available to you in Central Florida. So please be safe. Have a great day. Thanks for your time.